Let's everyone join. Before that, you have any query regarding your subject or anything you can ask now. As very few students are there now, so you can ask any query regarding your subject or anything else.
Sir, may can provide the recorded lecture of previous live class 4.
Sai sir, what about the recording section? And as the I already told you about this student is asking for recording. Arshijot, I already told to Sai sir and the management team to share about the recording section. They will manage the things and respond. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts regarding cybersecurity career? As only three students are there, you have opportunity to ask the things which you have in your mind or doubts regarding classes or other things. Now, one by one, tell me what you have done till now in your cybersecurity journey. So, might I will share my experience, add some things that you can do in your future. So, we will start from Nikhil. Nikhil, tell me what you have done in your cybersecurity journey till now, and what is your goal or what you want to do in your upcoming time. Nikhil, I want to just know what you have done, achieve in your cybersecurity journey, and what are the things you are preparing for future in your cybersecurity journey, so that if you miss something, I can add, or might I get something that new to me. Nikhil, you get the thing? What I am asking? You can open your mic and say it. Nikhil, you are replying or not? Are you texting the things that you have done, or you can say via mic also, as we are curious to listen your voice also. In the introduction section, you also told your introduction in the text format. Have you done any certification courses or any projects? Any practical platform that you follow? Nikhil, you know one thing. Once a time, when I used to introduce my cybersecurity things to others, I also do the things, just do the fundamentals. But when I realized the things that some people ask about projects and the practical oriented things, as you are here to not to learn only theory, so you demand from my side to be practical oriented. So you have to do uh, the things in practical manner. You can switch to try hack me, hack the box, or when you do this, you realize that you are weak in practicing things. That thing also I have to suffer. Okay, so try to be practical using platform try hack me or hack the box. Arshijot, tell me about your cybersecurity journey and what you are, want to achieve in your future. Arshijot, tell me about your cybersecurity journey that you have undergone and what you want to achieve in your future in the context of cybersecurity. Tia, why are you so late? Arshjot, are you replying the thing? Kola, same question for you. What are the things that you have undergone in your cybersecurity journey, and what is your future goal in the context of cybersecurity? You can open your mic and tell the thing. Sujot, what you have already learned or know about cybersecurity, like fundamental, or anyone has done about try hack me or hack the box, any projects for you all guys. Try to shift toward try hack me. That's very beginning level platform to from beginning it make to your industry level expert. Okay, on that platform you can listen the theory or read the theory. On the behalf of that theory you do some practical and answer the question. The platform name is try hack me. I will make you think as I am also doing that thing. This is the platform try hack me. As I have recently switched to this platform, so you can practice here as there are many features in this. Like if you don't know basics, you can do cyber pre-security. Then after pre-security, if you want some, if you know some basic commands or basic fundamentals, you can directly switch to cybersecurity 101. As I am also doing pen testing path, so you can also after doing the pen testing, you can go to your domain like security analytics, pen testing, security engineer, and one more thing that I have already told is cybersecurity has also collaborate with AI to make the thing more autonomous. So here also you can see the AI section. Okay, so that's very good source for you. Okay, Arshut, you got the platform name? It's Try Hack Me. You can also, if you are better in cybersecurity or you want to know your status, what you are in cybersecurity, you can do real time practice on cybersecurity by playing some CTF. CTF stands for Capture the Flag. Okay, now Tia, tell me what you have done in your cybersecurity journey and what you want to be in your cybersecurity journey, what you want to be achieve in your cybersecurity journey. Tia, okay. Why you all are not comfortable with using mic? You all are comfortable with the text. I always do some one thing in my life. Always try to avoid my comfort zone to make me better day by day. So you all have to avoid your comfort zone. As you remain in your comfort zone, you can't growth yourself. Here, I have one question for you. If I told you to download a research paper regarding any topic, what do you do? Might I think you go to the Chrome, type about the research paper, and go to any website and just download it. Then you might get some malwares also with the research paper. Okay. So the today session will be postponed to the might be on Monday. Okay. Still any doubts? Anything that you want to share with me or ask with me? Anyone who has doubts can stay here. Otherwise, all of you can leave now. Ashjot, you are asking that uh, can we discuss things regarding previous class? As the previous class is only practical oriented, it is too difficult to revise the things or repeat the things, as I have to start my machine, which will take a lot of time. Um, let us try. Okay, is my screen is visible to you? So, Arjot, we are going to perform an credential harvesting attack, which comes under phishing attack. What we do in this attack, we just create a fake login page of any website. Either it will be Google, Facebook, or anyone. Okay, we will create that fake login page and harvest the credential if anyone type to it. Okay, so for that we need a tool named as social engineering toolkit. Okay, so I just installed a tool named as social engineering toolkit. So just I will run. Okay, let's the machine start. Yeah, there are different type of Kali version. As I am using the latest version, so there is one problem with that. It can't have a auth log, which stand for authentication log, which hold our activity. So I can't demonstrate that in the last class. Okay, you can also, yeah, you can use any of them. Uh, as you need for each tool you need to install its dependency also, so you can go with that. Okay, and Now this is the dashboard of the social engineering toolkit. Okay, so uh, what we do, we use social engineering. Okay, I hit one and hit enter as we are using social engineering attack. Now again a menu appear in some time which ask me for which social engineering attack I want to do. Just there are some example like spear phishing attack, okay, website attack vendor, infect media generator means just generate a media which is infect through malware, okay, or attach the malware with it. Create a payload in a listener, okay, mass mailer attack, Arduino based attack, wireless attacks, okay, QR generator attack vendor. So there are some attacks. We are using website attack, okay, as we are phishing the victim to share its credential. Here a lot of sub attacks, or I want to do Java template attack, Metasploit browser exploit method, hijacking. So here I am using the credential harvesting attack. Okay, when I hit enter, it asks me some options like, are you want to use a web template or a site cloner or a custom import? Okay, so for now I am using just a ready-made web template which I am use. So here it will ask an IP, the IP where the data is back. Okay, so I remain the same IP here. Then I use Google template. Okay, you already have see the Google login page. Okay, or sign in page. So we are just creating a fake Google signing page to get someone credential. When I hit enter, okay. Now what next? Now I need to type my IP address. Is 192.168.31.234 along with port 80. When I hit enter, it's something very.
So which IP address are you filling?
It's my local IP address. Just I use here for post back. Okay, you can see here also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is uh, here a Google page will arrive as my Apache is already working. So I need to do it again and stop my Apache version. Okay. So to stop my Apache, I need to do some run some queries. Okay, or some command. I will open in another terminal. Before that, stop this by using Control C. Now I need to stop my Apache. For that, I use sudo systemctl. It is a system command which stop my Apache. Okay. Now my Apache is stopped. I will do it again. Credential harvesting attack, website template, IP ribbon sim, Google. As here now you can see is the request is coming back, and we can also see the browser. It will ask me and appear a Google page. Now if I enter, okay, my IP address, or sorry, my Gmail, and the password, for example, what I have hit enter, it will show me. Okay, when I click sign in, now you will see here the email ID and the password are appear in my terminal. Okay, the email ID and the password I hit will become to my terminal. Got it, Arshjot? Everyone got it? Now I have one question who are already revised this topic. In this, I am using a local IP. If I go back, I am using a local IP. So you need to ask me a question that everyone get find that this is a local IP. So the user not try to enter their credential here. Might my question is correct, as in the URL it shows a local IP address, so the user or the victim can't enter their credential there. For a proper login page of Google, you will see like that. So it has URL like that. Okay. If I want to log in a Google, or here in my machine, it show me an IP address. So why the user try to enter here the credential? Any answer? But if I send this URL to a, like if I send this URL to you, why you try to enter your credential? As you know, this is a IP address link, not a Google login page link. Got it, Arshjot? If I send this link to you, you can't uh, try to enter, or you not enter your details. As you know, this was a phishing page. So for that, we will perform some further things like DNS snooping or domain snooping. In that, uh, the link I have like that, I will try to make this link the copy of original Google link by using domain snooping. Okay, as this is my domain, this is the link domain name. So I will try to snoof that domain name. Okay, by doing that, it look legitimate or real as Google signing page. So everyone get feast in that. Okay. Now, George, for the next thing that I taught is broken link hijacking attack. Okay, so I will explain that attack, but we can't able to perform this as I have to create a website before the class. Okay, to explain that attack. So I just demonstrate what the broken link stand for. Assume this was a website. Okay, in a website, when we need some third parties to be connected with us, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub. Okay, when this we need this third party websites to be collaborate with us or link with the website, then sometimes the page was not created. Just when I read github.com, it show me uh, 404 error, which tell me uh, what I am searching was not found in the GitHub. Okay, have you got the problem? This was the condition where I can perform broken link hijacking. Arjot, you got the point? What I say? Okay, I will repeat. Now it is clear. So we are going to demonstrate broken link hijacking attack. Okay, in that attack, when my website needs some third party website to be linked. Okay, just like in this, I used to link my all the things like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and GitHub with my website. Okay, for doing that, when I click here, I will go to the kharidlo.com Instagram account. Okay, when I hit here, click here, you can see that we will go to a page which was Kharidlo Instagram account. Okay, now when I click over Facebook, it show me that the page was not available or the content was not available. Why this happened? As this when I click here, my device go to Facebook and finds a username like kharidlo.com. Okay, similarly, when I hit with click on Twitter, my device will go to Twitter and find a name like Kharidlo, okay, as a username. But in the Twitter, there is no username like that. You got the problem now? What is the problem? Uh, as many websites which link the third party website has not their page updated. So they throw a error named as 404. Huh. As you say, find username, but sometimes the username not found. So what we can do, we can create that username. Okay, how we can create? Just what I do, I will open my Gmail. Okay, now I hit GitHub. As on GitHub, it is easy to change the username. So this is my GitHub profile. What I do here, I will change my username. For changing my username, before that, just copy the things. As when I hit GitHub, it show me the page was not available. What I do, I just copy the username, then paste it over GitHub. Okay, then change my username. Now it will change my account name to kharidlo.com. Okay, now when I go to this page again, when I click on GitHub, it will open my GitHub account. Okay, this is a demonstration of broken link hijacking attack. Ashjot, you got it? How to do a broken link hijacking? Okay. The last thing that I taught student was DDoS attack. We will also do DOS attack in the upcoming classes from using a tool LIC LCIOR, something from like that. So you will demonstrate the DOS attack in that class. Okay. Any doubts? Anything else that you want to discuss? So if you not have any doubts, the today session will postpone it to Monday onwards. What the thing I want to repeat? Arjot, what the thing that I want to repeat? Tell me, please.
So may I can repeat the
Yeah,
process. So may I can
the,
repeat the process of advanced harvesting attack.
okay. So I have to repeat that. Okay. For that process, in your system, you need to install a tool named as SET, Social Engineering Toolkit. Okay, it is available on GitHub also, from where you can clone it. After installing it, there are when you open the set toolkit using Python 3 set toolkit command, then a menu will appear like that. Okay, here different types of attacks are mentioned. I perform website attack vendor. Okay, so I press just tool. Okay, here. Then it asks me what the sub attack I want to do, like Java template attack method or Metasploit browser exploit method, credential harvesting attack method, tabnelling attack method, web checking, multi attack. Okay, here we use credential harvesting method. We want to know the credential of a user. Okay, then it asks me three options, like either I want to use a website template, or I want to clone any website using its URL, or custom import. Okay, here I use web template. Okay, then the remaining things are same. As I am closing this, and again do this attack. Okay, I hit credential harvesting method. For now, I am using a site cloner. Okay, before this, just shut down the browser. Now I am using a site cloner. Okay, I hit 2 over there. Again, it will ask me for the IP. It will remain same. Then I need to enter a URL, which website I want to clone. Okay, so here I am just typing www.facebook.com. Okay, when I hit enter, it will take a lot bit of time. After that, I can do the attack. Okay, or perform that attack. Might the attack was not initiated yet. When the attack get start, it will show similar like that. These are the three things that will show. Now it will start. Still it was showing same. the page was something look want to look like this. I don't know why it was not converting the page. Again, let's try to do this. As it was running, tell me one thing. As many of you are from software engineering background or branch like CS or IT, you need to deal with things like creating software websites. So tell me one thing, what or where my website data is stored, or is where my passwords are stored. If I enter into a website where my passwords are stored.
Sir, in local storage.
Yeah, but I want to know the name of the thing. Like if you want to deal with the HTML, CSS, we called as front end. If you want to deal with programming logics, then it was back end. So what is where the data is stored, or specifically password is stored? My website. Yeah, database. So what do you think? It was stored normally or something need to change with the password? My question is, when I click on my database or see my database, is my database show me clear text password or something else? Arjut, you can say now. What is your answer? Again, it was not working clearly. As I load the website, it was showing me an Instagram logo, but again, due to some reason, okay, you try to do on your device. Might on your device it will work. Okay.
So,
Yes, Arjun.
sir, sir, the IP address which you filled, is it yours or like it's a local IP address?
It's my device virtual machine IP address. It's my uh, IP address of my virtual machine Kali. Okay. You
Okay,
can
sir.
say it as local address of my device.
Okay, sir. Sir, so you mean like we can find the username and the password credentials with the IP address?
I just created a page with my local IP to try to fish some victim or users. Or I will do that. I will change my this IP URL to a domain name like try hack me or something else. Okay, then it will show me the URL name. Okay, like if I change my IP address name to tryhackme.com by using the domain spoofing, then it will show in the URL as tryhackme.com. Okay, login page. Got my point?
Okay, sir.
Uh, and it is not converted into binary numbers. So the answer was yeah, Nikhil already told the answer. So we are also going to learn how to create hashes as everyone join today class. Then it will be the part of the today session. But now on Monday you will learn how to create a hash, okay, or how to create a hash by system. Then how we can use reverse engineering to again get the answer from the hash. Then we will also use one of the common tool that cybersecurity person use, John the Reaper. Okay, we that thing we will do in the next class. And if still any doubts, you can stay there. Otherwise, you can leave now. On what time you are comfortable, as already the next classes are planned on that timing. Just tell me, so we will for next to next week, we will do the things that you are comfortable. On what time you are comfortable, as I have to check my schedule also. Okay, from next to next week, we will try to do so. Okay, for next week you have to manage the classes. Yes, that's true. For next week, the timing will be on 7 p.m. onwards. As the management team already share me the meeting details or the meeting IDs. Okay, any doubts? So you can leave now. We will meet on Monday. we will discuss in the next class. I already told the student about this, how to clear the log or history. You can just use history minus C and logical and sign along with history minus W to clear it temporary as well as from local store. Now to clear from log, it has a long process. Okay, you will text me. I will share you the command that was used. Even you can change your history size also by using hist command. I already taught a student in the previous class. You will message me. I will drop the command to you. Okay. Still, you have any doubts? That's Jyot and Nikhil.
No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.